Hey guys, it's Omer here. On today's topic, I actually want to talk about the overall yearly calendar, okay? Where it consists of days, weeks, months, and of course the whole year. And the reason why I'm doing this is because when we're doing calculations, I'm going to show you the little discrepancies in between all the nooks and crannies as far as the days, the weeks, and the months, and the whole entire year. I'm going to show it and explain it on the board, okay? So with that being said, I'm just going to go through the months of the year with you. So as I've written down here, we have from January to December, okay? And for each month, we have variations of days, okay? So January, let's say, being 31, and then February being 28, so on and so forth, okay? So before we get started, let's actually go through that whole process on our knuckles. I'm sure you probably learned it in school or from your neighbor, from your parents, or anything like that. So let's just go through it one time, and I'll show you how this all ties in. Okay, so we're going to start off with the month of January, and what we're going to do is we're going to take our fist, okay? We're going to make a fist with our hand, and with our knuckles, let's say the knuckles will represent that as the number of days as 31, okay? We're going to start off with 31. So the top knuckles here, we're going to these months are going to be 31 days, okay? And the depressions between the knuckles, okay, we'll call them depressions. They'll be, aside from the month of February, which is 28 days, we'll have them at 30 days, okay? So let's say January is 31 days, okay? That's the knuckle. The depression, the next month is February, and it's understood that it's 28 days. So January, which is the knuckle, 31 days. The next month is 28 days, which is February. March, on the next knuckle now, it'll be 31 days, okay? April, which is the next depression, which is 30. April, May, which is 31, June, and so on and so forth, right? So when we get to June, it's the depression, which is 30. Now July, it's 31. Now here's the question. When we're counting with our fists, do we just go back in reverse? Or do we actually go back to the top? And the answer to that is we actually go back to the top, okay? It's not my rule, it's just how the rules are for the months. Okay, so July is 31 days. Now, August is also 31 days. Therefore, we're going to go back to the beginning, okay, of our knuckle, which is also 31 days. So July is 31 days, as well as August is 31 days. And then you'll proceed on to the end, okay? So that's that. That's what I wanted to explain here. Now I'm going to explain the same thing on the board, but on the board now, okay? So you have January here, which is 31 days, okay? February, this is understood that it's 28 days without a doubt, okay? March 31, April 30, May 31st, June 30th, July 30, and July 31 and August 31. These two, okay, are together, okay, meaning like they're back to back 31 days, okay? September, which is 30, October is 31, November is 30, and December is 31, okay? So I wanted you to keep that in mind, okay? Now you're asking me now, I'm sure, that Omer, what does this have to do with math or calculations or finance to begin with? I'm going to go ahead and explain that now, and then everything will tie in, I promise you, okay? So let's just say, for instance, okay, we're doing math, okay, we're calculating, okay, that let's just say on average, let's just say $5 a day, okay, let's just say per day for a second, and let's times that by 7, okay, this is 7 days, okay, $5 times 7 days, okay, we're doing it by days, okay, and what does that equal to? $35, okay, per week, okay? This is, so $5 a day for 7 days gives you $35 a week. That is straightforward math, no nothing in between, no magic, no nothing like that. $35 a week, okay? Now, let's do this for 4 weeks, which is a month, okay? So let's just say you have $35, okay, for the week, and let's times it by 4 weeks. Okay, so you do the math here. okay? So it's $140 a month, okay? $140 a month. So by doing $5 a day for 7 days equals $35 a week. Now, when we take the weeks, let me just take this out. $35 per week for 4 weeks, which is in 1 month's time, that is $140 a month. Absolutely correct, no problem whatsoever. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Now, let's do it another way. Let's just say we're doing $5, okay? $5 a day, okay? Now, let's say for the month. Let's just do times 30 days on average, okay? And the reason why I'm doing 30 days instead of 31 is because if you do 365 days, which is the whole calendar year of days, okay? 365 days, and you divide it by 12 months, okay, this is months, you actually get 30 days, okay? So, let's say $5 a day for 30 days, okay? That will give you $150 a month. Now, that's what I wanted to show you here. Like, you see the difference? Your calculations were on point. Everything was great, okay? You did it $35 a week for 4 weeks, and you got $140 a month. And then on the flip side of this, we did $5 a day for 30 days. On average, $150 a month. Both are correct. But I just wanted to show you the discrepancy here. When you're doing the math like this, you'll see that. And the reason why, I'll tell you why. This is actually why it happened. This is why the whole thing happened. We took 7 days, okay, which is 1 week, right? And we times it by 4 weeks. Now, when you times both of this together, I'll do it right here. Let's say 7, you did 7 days times 4 weeks, okay? You actually calculated for 28 days, okay? So when you calculate $5 times 28, okay, you get $140. Again, both are right. I just wanted to show you this so you're able to understand that at the end of the year or at the end of the month, however way you're doing this, at least you're able to understand what went wrong, which really didn't go wrong. It's just the way, just the way our calendar year works. So that's basically what I wanted to show you for this one, as this whole ties in with calculations by days, weeks, and months. Now, if you like this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to share it, and please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.